Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Power BI datasets using incremental refresh best practices step by step clearly. To update Power BI datasets using incremental refresh, begin by opening your Power BI desktop. Ensure you have a dataset that supports incremental refresh, typically based on a date or timestamp column. Go to the model view and select the table you wish to set up for incremental refresh. Next, click on the Manage Relationships option to confirm that your data model is well structured. After validating the relationships, navigate to the Transform Data section to open Power Query. In Power Query, identify the date column in your dataset that will be used for incremental refresh. Once identified, create a new parameter named Range Start using the Manage Parameters option. Set Range Start as a date value that will serve as the starting point for data loading. Repeat this process to create a second parameter called Range End. Set range. With these parameters created, go back to your query editor and filter your data using these parameters. Apply the filter on the date column, ensuring it only returns records within the range defined by Range Start and Range End. Once the date filter is applied, click on Close and Apply in Power Query to save your changes. Now it's time to configure the incremental refresh settings. In the model view, right-click the table you want to configure and choose Incremental Refresh. Enable the Keep Data for the last option and specify the duration you wish to retain records. Set the Refresh Data option to control how often the data is updated, typically a shorter duration than the retention. After configuring the refresh policy, confirm the settings and click OK to apply. To finalize, publish your Power BI report to the Power BI service. In the Power BI service, navigate to the dataset settings and enable the scheduled refresh. Set the schedule according to your data update frequency requirements. Finally, ensure that you monitor the refresh status to confirm that incremental refresh is functioning as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.